Kalimera, good morning, welcome to Athens in Greece for the DEFEA exhibition. The main topic as far as we are concerned is of course the next generation frigate requirement of the Hellenic Navy. This is going to be the focus of our day one video here at DEFEA. Starting with Fincantieri, the Italian shipbuilder gave us exclusive details about their proposal. Let's check it out.
We are offering the Italian FREMM that we believe is the best product in terms of frigates around the world. It's the same product where we have achieved many international results during the last 2 years. I believe that one of the most important was the signing of Indonesia contract. So we are offering the Italian FREMM in ISW configuration.
That is a unique product in the world. Is well proven, of course. We have tested all over the world this type of product. Is a configuration with a high level of flexibility, either for the platform and the propulsion system, but also for the combat system suite. We just gave all the relevant information in terms of capability of the ship to our end user. We are very flexible also in order to evaluate alternative systems that is going through the needs and requirements of the end user. Generally, the frame is adapted to the mission scenario and to the mission profile that the end user is asking us. And we are doing the same here, but the package we are offering is over the ship, because we are offering also a huge full package of services, a relevant transfer of technology to the local shipyards that will be involved for the production, and we are also offering our international experience in the cooperation and collaboration with different entities.
Is there anything you can mention regarding the upgrade package for the existing MECO ships, as well as the so-called stopgap solution?
Yes, it is part also of our package of offer. It's separate from the frame, but it's part of the package. We are just working with end user and with the Ministry of Defense to evaluate a commonality with the systems we are having in the frame. This is an ongoing discussion, and we have just visited the Hydra class. We have a clear idea on the work to be done either for the platform and for the combat system.
And regarding the stopgap solution, the interim solution?
We have just offered an interim solution using the Italian Navy available ships. We are discussing also this type of proposal, and we can feel that we can cover all the requirements also under this specific aspect.
Next, let's meet with Damen Shipyards of the Netherlands to find out more about the Sigma 11515.
So Damen Shipyards is already quite known in Greece. As you probably also know, the Hellenic Navy is currently still operating 9 Dutch-built S-class frigates, also called the Elite-class frigates. Built upon that knowledge and experience, we are now offering the Sigma 115-115. This is a part of the proven Sigma family. It's 115 meters length and 50 meters beam. It's a proven concept, but fully tailored according to the technical and operational requirements of the Hellenic Navy. The main advantage, aside from design, is also our approach to this project, what we do similarly in other countries. So the Sigma is a modular design that allows for modular construction. And this allows us to enable with the local industry, both for the construction of the vessel, but also with local defense suppliers. Damen is offering as a stopgap solution the Sigma 105-14. This is a proven design that's already in use in 2 different navies. We can build it in a very short period to enable the Hellenic Navy to have a stopgap solution. Next to that, there is also a very long tradition between the Dutch Navy and the Hellenic Navy. And possibly there are discussions on a bilateral governmental level to acquire current M frigates of the Dutch Navy. We are planning to build the ships all in Greece. So the Sigma is a modular design that allows us to tailor it to local construction. Aside from the local construction of the vessels, by nature we fully engage with the local industry because we are a private company. As an example of that, 1.5 weeks ago we have attended an industry day where the Dutch industry met the Greek defense industry for matchmaking events and to see common areas of interest where we can cooperate in this frigate program.
We are now on the booth of Naval Group with Hervé Bois, Operational Marketing Manager for surface ships. Hervé, good morning.
Good morning, Xavier.
Can you please tell us about Naval Group's offer for the Hellenic Navy frigates?
We are offering FDI, which is based on the French program FDI. And the major advantage of this offer is to be capable of delivering the first ship to the Greek Navy in early 2025. And this frigate is a real multi-mission frigate capable of fulfilling any kind of mission. She has especially the capability to provide air defense to the Greek Navy. And the first ship will be delivered in 2025, and the 3 others will be built in Greece by the Greek industries.
Very well, Hervé. In your opinion, why is this the right design for the Hellenic Navy?
This ship, this frigate, is based on the French program, but is fully adapted to the Greek requirement, the Hellenic Navy requirement. For example, we add a closing weapon system to the version, and we can adjust the ship really to be adapted to the Hellenic Navy requirement.
Right, we're now on the Lockheed Marine booth with Joe DiPietro, Vice President of Naval Combat and Missile Defense. Joe, good morning. Thanks for having us.
Good morning, Xavier. Good to see you.
What can you tell us about your proposal for the Hellenic Navy frigates requirement?
Absolutely. So our approach to the requirements is taking kind of the best of breed for us, which is using the whole form of the littoral combat ship, but then integrating that with our Aegis-based capabilities from our common source library. And that really allows us to leverage the work that we do for the U.S. Navy, but as well all the navies around the world that we've integrated those capabilities to bring meet the requirements that are coming from the Hellenic Navy.
All right, so what new capabilities did you fit on the HF2 ship?
So starting with our multi-mission surface combatant design that we had, we integrated some new capabilities. We have the 76mm gun with the Stralis system. We've also gone from 8 Mark 41 vertical launching cells to 11 cells, allowing us to accommodate CAM, CAM-ER, VLA, as well as all the missiles that are already integrated into the Mark 41. We have the STIR 1.2, so that gives us our fire control radar and continuous wave illuminator to be able to integrate those capabilities. And then we are doing an advanced EW system to meet the requirements of the Hellenic Navy and the Naval Strike Missile. So leveraging what's going on, Littoral Combat Ship and FFG-62, the Constellation class, integrated in with the combat system. We've also gone from CRAM back to the RAM configuration like we had on the early LCSs, LCSs 1 through 15. The rolling airframe missile, similar to LCS 1 through 15, integrated with our Combats 21, gives them more firepower for the self-defense mission. And then we have a variable depth sonar, and that allows us to integrate that with the MH-60 Romeo that brings the ASW capability for the Mediterranean.
Can you tell us anything about your approach in regards to the local shipyards? Are you planning on cooperating with them?
Yes, so our intent is to really maximize the building here in Greece. So I've visited both shipyards. We've been in discussions, and there's been the recent announcement of the shipyard owner for the Hellenic shipyard, Scaramouche. So we're eager to have discussions with the owner on the cooperation moving forward. Our approach is to build at least 3 of the ships here. We'd like to have them be built here in Greece. We understand the importance of not only constructing the ships, but then having to be a maintenance hub in the area that can support not only the Hellenic Navy ships, but the US ships that operate in and out of Greece.
I am now with Jonathan Walton, Vice President of Business Development at Babcock International Group. Jonathan, good morning.
Good morning.
Thanks for welcoming us. What can you tell us about Babcock's proposal for the Hellenic Navy's frigate requirement?
Well, thank you very much. So, Babcock International, in conjunction with the British government, has, we believe, a very competitive proposal for the Hellenic Navy for their entire program. First of all, as you said, in relation to the new frigate element, we are proposing the Arrowhead 140, general purpose frigate design, highly adaptable, highly capable, endorsed by the Royal Navy, and at a very competitive, cost competitive offer and level. So in fact, we believe that we are able to deliver world-class frigate capability at a highly competitive rate. So we think this is of considerable interest to the Hellenic Navy in terms of their current needs and for their future needs in terms of developing capability and growing capability on the vessel. The second element is, of course, the upgrade of the MECO frigates, the Hydra class frigates, where we have a long history of maintenance, of sustainment and midlife upgrade of frigates for the Royal Navy. So we have a lot of experience and pedigree to bring to that element of the program. The UK government is proposing 2 Type 23 frigates as the interim solution, and we are working hard between Royal Navy and Hellenic Navy to work out an optimum plan for the delivery and transfer of those sort of vessels if we are selected. And fourthly, the fourth pillar is the industrial participation pillar, which has 2 parts. The first part is the collaboration with the shipyards in Greece, and the second part is the development of relationships with the highly competent and very professional supply chain of all the various companies involved in the maritime industry in Greece. It's our intention to build all 4 of the frigates in Greece and conduct all of the midlife upgrades in Greece.
Another contender in the Hellenic Navy frigate requirement is the TKMS of Germany. Unfortunately, they don't want to talk to us or give us an interview, but I believe they're running with a MECO frigate design.